Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A52. So let's get started. First, go to settings, then find and pick biometrics and security. Choose other security settings. As you can see at the top, there's a set up SIM card lock option. Tap on it and just simply disable the lock SIM card. Now you have to enter your current SIM pin. So let's just do exactly that. If you're ready, just tap on OK to confirm that you indeed want to disable the SIM pin. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.